You can expect a lot from the 2011 BMW 328i xDrive. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, power moonroof, rain-sensing wipers, remote keyless entry, and much more. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.